Hello, David here, and the project for today is maintaining the furnace filter. It's summertime, and while the furnace is out of commission, it's time to clean the filter. You're going to have one of two types of filter for your furnace. You're either going to have a replaceable filter, where you just go out and buy a new one, or you're going to have one that can be washed. This one happens to be a synthetic filter, and it's washable, so I'm going to take it out and wash it. And I do it once a year. It's a matter of unclipping it here and pulling it out. Some filters are unidirectional. That means it has to go one way. So if you buy a filter with a frame on it, usually the frame has an arrow that shows the airflow direction. This one happens to flow in this way. So this filter has a reinforcement side, so the reinforcement side is on this side of the filter. The non-reinforced side goes that way. Just take it out carefully. It's not too dirty, really. Yeah, I guess it is dirty. Let's take it outside and wash it up. Let's give it a good soaking. I'm going to soak both sides. Today's supposed to be the hottest day of the year, so it ought to dry out pretty fast. It's supposed to get up to 95. I'm not going to film the reinstallation of the filter because it's the reverse of the removal, and it's pretty simple. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye now.